Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is position with company called Notion and this is off-campus hiring which can offer up to 20 lakhs package. So talking about this is basically Notion is an AI powered productivity and note taking application. So they have designed all in one workspace for individuals and teams. So it combines note taking, task and project management, database management, collaboration tool in a single customizable platform. So this is what they say, one workspace with zero busy work, but you have all the features available for office work, right? So they have customizable workspace I have mentioned. They have the database and the project management softwares like tables, Kanban boards, calendars, list, and they have Notion AI and agents, right? Integrated artificial intelligence, which helps bringing in writing, summarizing, and other content generating, meeting notes, translation, etc. And they have collaboration platform also, which will allow real-time collaboration with features like comment, mention, and role-based access control. So Notion is where you will get your teams and AI agents capture knowledge. They will find answer for you. They will automate projects. So from team member of 7, you will feel like 70 people are working. So hope you understood. They have the place where connecting documents, notes, projects, calendars, and emails. And some of the top companies like Toyota, Figma, OpenAI, and Love Notion are using the Notion products. So they believe in person collaboration. So for all the team members, they required to work from office on 2 days. Mondays and Thursdays you can work from office. Rest of the days you can work from home. So that is about the hybrid, uh, you know, way of working. So now I'm going to talk about the open position they have. It's called a software engineer infrastructure position. And for this, the job location is Hyderabad and it's a full time employment. As I said, 2 days you have to work from office. So it's a hybrid nature of location and department. It is from the engineering department. Now, about the role, the hybrid infra team builds and maintains Notion's internal asynchronous task runner and configuration management platform. So, that is what you are going to handle. And async task runner platform plays a very crucial role in ensuring millions of users have fast, reliable, and secure experience. So the configuration management platform enables safe, explicit configuration management for the Notion's product and infrastructure manager. So at this position at Hyderabad infra team, you will have a unique opportunity to shape Notion's managers async task runner and configuration management platform. So what you will have to achieve is you will contribute to evolution and maintenance of async task runner to meet the needs of over 100 million global users. With guidance from your senior team members, you will ensure your systems remain reliable, efficient, and scalable. You will be evaluate and integrate new technologies. You will work to empower engineering team to build features confidently while you grow the skills in distributed struct systems and infrastructure, and you will develop skills and confidence in debug live production environment with minimal disruption, whether replacing components or managing failovers. And you will participate in on-call rotation, responding to incidents, and responsible for service reliability, quickly restore normal operations. You will be partner with product engineers and other infra teams to ensure the platforms align with evolving business. So, talking about the experience and the skills required, it is an early career software developer role, but at least 1 year experience is required. So, 22, 23, and 2024 batch students can apply. 1 year experience is minimum required. You has to be system thinker. You understand the distributed systems and can design solutions that account for trade-offs like consistency, latency, and scalability. And You have to be problem solver. You will need to take ownership and initiative. You thrive in a fast moving and unstructured environment, and you excel at collaborating across different teams and offering guidance and solutions to unblock engineers and support them in building platform. So now how you can apply, I will give the link in the later part of the video. You have to attach your resume. You will add your full name, email address, which will be used for communication. You have to also add your phone number, your location details, so, and then you have to attach your resume. You have to also type your LinkedIn profile or paste your LinkedIn profile here, and what pronouns you used, right? And you will be able to work, right? Please confirm that you have read all the terms and conditions in part of the office requirement, and then you also confirm that you don't require any visa because you are working from India and you are a Indian employee or hold a visa. And where did you know about this particular opening? So it's LinkedIn, and then you have to attach the details and submit. So now this is the direct link where you can apply this job, and it is available in the description box. You can click from there. So that's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.